Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of Jupiter, our solar system's biggest show-off. First up, did you know Jupiter is so massive that all the other planets could fit inside it with room to spare? It's 11 times wider than Earth and has a mass 300 times greater. Talk about a heavyweight! Despite its colossal size, Jupiter spins incredibly fast. A day there lasts just 10 hours. This rapid rotation boosts its brightness, making it one of the night sky's most dazzling objects. Now let's talk atmosphere. Jupiter's got these cool bands called zones and belts. The lighter zones and darker belts are caused by convection and different chemical compositions, and who could forget the Great Red Spot? This massive storm has been raging for centuries, with winds whipping at 500 kilometers per hour. It's even bigger than Earth. Peering deeper, Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface. Its atmosphere gradually transforms into a sea of liquid metallic hydrogen. Scientists believe there might be a dense core lurking at its center, but its exact makeup remains a mystery. Intriguingly, Jupiter emits more heat than it receives from the Sun. This suggests it's still cooling down from its formation billions of years ago. And let's not forget its powerful magnetic field, which creates stunning aurorae. Think northern lights on steroids. Jupiter even sports faint rings likely made from debris, and it's a cosmic shield, frequently getting smacked by comets and asteroids, protecting us inner planets. Remember the Shoemaker-Levy 9 comet impact in 1994? That was epic. Lastly, some call Jupiter a failed star because it's mostly hydrogen and helium, just like a star. But it doesn't have enough mass to ignite nuclear fusion. So, next time you gaze at the night sky, give a nod to Jupiter, the gas giant with secrets galore. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.